Let's take a look at the Domino A+ machine for contrast adjustment. To begin the process, first locate and press the Shift key on your device, then go ahead and press it a second time. Immediately following that, find the wrench icon key, press it just once, and then release it. Once you have completed that sequence, you can proceed to adjust your display settings. Simply press the down arrow key to decrease the contrast and brightness levels to your preference, or alternatively, press the up arrow key if you need to increase the overall brightness of your screen. After adjusting, once the brightness is set, press the confirm key. Because during the adjustment process, this light is on, do you see? It being lit indicates that we are adjusting the contrast. Once we have adjusted the contrast, press this confirm key, the light will turn off, and the contrast adjustment is complete.